What I really want to talk to you about is the hook, okay? And in our sales coaching, what we're learning here on eastonuniversity.com, there's no pressure, there's no manipulation, but we got to get people excited, right? We got to get their attention. So here's a perfect example of getting their attention in the right way, okay? Here's your ECCP formula. You've got to let them know who you are. You've got to let them know how you're connected. And then you're going to do a hook. Okay, so hey Stacy, Matt Easton over here at Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. And then I'm going to go to a hook. All right. Now this is typically most of the hooks that you're going to find in the course are voicemail related hooks. Why? I don't want to go into this right now in this session. You'll learn it on the actual course. But if we try to go too far on a cold call with somebody that we've never talked to, we're staring right down the barrel of, hey, I'm really busy, I'm stepping into a meeting, I'm donating a kidney, I'm flying an airplane, I'm launching a spaceship. My son just launched his spaceship into my kidney. I gotta go because there's a meeting that's getting ready to start, right? Where we're gonna eject from the call in a lot of circumstances if it's the first call and the answer. So we're not gonna talk about that today. Here's what I wanna talk about. I wanna talk about hooks that we can leave on somebody's voicemail that will get them to call us back. Now I want to be crystal clear here. Don't ruin my reputation. You are actually going to have an insight that you're going to share with them that's valuable to them when they call you back. We can talk about that on other courses, and you'll also learn how to create an insight on the ECCP course, all right? But let me give you some sample hooks here, okay? Here's one that we've been talking about a lot. The hook that nobody is talking about, right? Hey, Stacy, Matt Easton, founder at Easton University, you and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, there is something going on that everybody that's working in logistics is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202, right? It's the hook that nobody is talking about. This is going to get their curiosity. There's a plausible emergency there. And I'm opening up with who I am, how we're connected, okay, not hoping you're having a great day, not I want to sell you something, not I want to show you something, not we're running a special. There's something going on that every blank is having to deal with that nobody's talking about it. Hey, Dave, Matt Easton over here at Easton Mortgage Partners, there is something going on that every residential real estate agent's having to deal with right now. Nobody's talking about it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. You're going to find they're going to call you back, okay? I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.